بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعلیکم السلام.
Last lesson, first course, understand Al-Quran the easy way, mashallah. So in this lesson, short tables of verb we have to do. We learn grammar using TPI, as you know well, mashallah. TPI means total physical interaction. It's easy, interesting, and interactive. You remember that? Hear it, hear it, see it, think it, say it, show it,
saw it,
and love it. Do it together. Yeah, mashallah. So revision of previous lessons for just 3 minutes. Fi'l is of 3 types: Madi, Mudari, Amr. Perfect tense, that which is done. Mudari, that which is not done yet, being done or will be done. Amr, imperative. Sometimes you request someone to do something, and sometimes you just order to do something, and sometimes you just request someone not to do something, and you just order someone not to do something. So that's imperative, Amr. And you remember this is Madi, Mudari, Amr, Nahi. The table shows us Fa'ala, Fa'alu, Fa'alta, Fa'altu, Fa'altum, Fa'alna. Yaf'alu, Yaf'aluna, Taf'alu, Af'alu, Taf'aluna, Naf'alu. If'al, If'alu, La taf'al, La taf'alu. Fa'il, doer, doer, fa'il. The one who is affected, maf'ul. The one who is affected. Fi'l, to do, act of doing. To do something or act of doing. That's called fi'l. In today's lesson, we will learn short tables for the verbs. When this formula is known, it will be easy to learn the other forms, inshallah. Yes, fa'ala, yaf'alu, if'al. The sum of the table in only 3 words. If it is learned, so the other forms, Madi, Mudari, Amr, can be made easily, like from fa'ala, from yaf'alu. So fa'ala, yaf'alu, if'al. Like ja'ala, yaj'alu, ij'al. And like fataha, yaftahu, iftah. Many more. Alhamdulillah. So from fa'ala, we made 3 nouns: fa'il, maf'ul, fi'l. Short form of the table, and 3 verbs and 3 nouns. Fa'ala, yaf'alu, if'al are the verbs, and fa'il, maf'ul, fi'l are the nouns. And if you remember that at the beginning of a fa'il there is al, and at the end there is tanween, fathatain, dhammatain, kasratain, and waw nun, ya nun at the end. So these are all the symbols of a noun. I mean, anyone can be there. So if there is anyone, all of these, that means this is a noun. That is a noun. So like al, fa'ilu, fa'ilun, fa'ilun, fa'ilin. Okay. In the beginning, al, or at the end, tanween, dhammatain, fathatain, kasratain, or un, in, ad. Like al-fa'ilu, noun. Fa'ilun, fa'ilin, fa'ilan, noun. And fa'ilun, fa'ilin, fa'ilat, yes, noun. Same. Al-maf'ul, maf'ulun, maf'ulan, maf'ulin, maf'ulun, maf'ulin, maf'ulat, all of them. It shows us that this is a noun. Fa'ilun, fa'ilin, fa'ilatun, 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 and fa'ilun, fa'ilun, fa'ilin, maf'ul, maf'ulun, maf'ulin, and maf'ulatun, maf'ulatun. Yes. Okay, short form of the table, 3 verb and 3 noun. So nasara, yansuru, unsur. Nasir, mansur, nasr. Okay, next is daraba, yadribu, idrib, darib,
Darib,
madrub,
Madrub, Darab.
Yes. Next pattern is sami'a, yasma'u, isma', sami', masmu', sam'.
Sami, Masmu, Sam.
If I say sami'un, sami'in, sami and sami'atun, sami'atun, masmu'un, masmu'in, and masmu'atun, masmu'atun, same. For any verb, you can make the short table for any verb like ja'ala, dhakara, alima. Let's make alima. Let's make a short table of alima, like alima, bab sami'a, I mean pattern sami'a, alima, ya'lamu, i'lam, alim, ma'lum, ilm, alimatun, ma'lumatun. We can make plurals also. Alimun, alimun, alimin, ma'lumun, ma'lumun, ma'lumin, alimatun, alimatun, many alimas, many of the girls, all are the girls, alimas, so alimatun. Okay, ma'lumatun, something something we know and she knows. So ma'lumatun, ma'lumatun. Many talks of the knowledge and many things of about the knowledge we have, alhamdulillah. So you have learned hal nasarta zaydan. Hal nasarta zaydan.
Nam nasartu Zaydan.
Did you help Zayd? Yes, I helped Zayd. Hal nasartum Zaydan. Naam, nasarna Zaydan. Good. Hal nasartahu. Hal nasartahu.
Nam nasaratu.
Naam, nasartuhu. Nasartuhu. Yes, I helped him. Hal nasartumuhu. Did you all help him? Naam, nasarnahu. Yes, we all helped him.
Sharnahu.
Okay, similarly, instead of nasartahu, you can have any other pronoun. For example, nasartahum, nasartaha. Alhamdulillah. And you have learned hal tansuru Zaydan. Will you help Zayd? Naam, ansuru Zaydan. Yes, I will help Zayd, alhamdulillah. Do you help Zayd? Yes, I help Zayd. Both of the meaning, you remember, mudare has both of the meaning. Present and future. Present and future. So you can translate hal tansuru Zaydan. Will you help Zayd? Or do you help Zayd?
No.
It's according the context. It's according the background. What are you talking about? You are talking about the present. You are talking about the future. So it will depend up to your talk and somebody's talk. Yes. Now use who instead of the word Zayd. I give pause for ease of learning. Hal tansuruhu. Will you or do you help him? Hal tansuruhu. Who. So these are huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu in the form of when you add it. And this is called possessive case sometime. Sometimes like غلامه. But generally we can say if you add huwa with any verb, like it may be mudare, it may be madi, so there will not be huwa like darabtu huwa. No, it will be now darabtuhu. Huwa will be who. Adding time with any verb, maybe madi or mudare. Similarly, instead of tansuruhu, you can have any other pronoun, for example, ha, hum, na, ye, etc. Alhamdulillah. Learning tip. Let's see what is there. Read the highest rank in Jannah. عن عبد الله بن عمرو بن العاص رضي الله عنهما عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال, it will be said to the companion of the Quran, اقرأ وارتقي ورتل كما كنت ترتل في الدنيا أين منزلتك عند آخر آية تقرأها. Recite and ascend in ranks and recite slowly and distinctly as you used to recite slowly and distinctly in the word. Verily, your rank is determined by the last verse you recite. Abu Dawud and Tirmidhi. Inshallah. To build a house in this world, we put years of tireless efforts to build a house in this world. By the time the house gets ready, we already become old. Some of us die even before entering the newly built house. We know that we will not be living forever in this house, not even for the next 25 years. We don't know. Maybe it may be 50 years. May Allah Almighty give you a long life with barakah, and me too. And all of the people are the believers, mashallah. They may live long with barakah in their lives. But it's not like you have an iCard and you have a certificate that you have to live more than 50 years. And you're gonna live next 100 years. No, even we don't know about the next moment after 1 hour. What's gonna happen? We don't know. It's Allah Almighty, the one and only, who knows everything from the top to the bottom and from the beginning to the end. So we know that we will not be living forever in this house, not even for the next 25 years. Maybe the more we live in this world, the more miserable our old age will be. We are busy in building such a house and searching peace in it. Eternal success. The house, in fact, places in the Jannah are reserved for the Sahibul Quran. And how long will he stay there? 1,000 years. I mean, forever. And that too in the best state of health and resources. I mean, my brother is not creating the this and that to drink and the bottles. And yes, I didn't get any cold. So just we are young and healthy, and subhanallah, may Allah Almighty accept both of us, all of them. I mean, maybe we are the two out of them gonna enter the Jannah without any what you have done before and later and in your life. And no. May Allah Almighty give us the permission entering Jannah without anything. I mean, Ya Rab. So do we not wish for eternal success? Yes, we do. Alhamdulillah. And we should. That too with the best health and comforts. Of course. So shouldn't we strive to attain this real and eternal success? Yes, we should. Really. Don't think of stopping this learning even for a day. Keep going. keep going. And for the preparation of course 2, alhamdulillah. So this is the for the preparation of course 2, you have completed one step, 20 hours, mashallah. I mean, 40 classes more than only 17 steps of 20 hours remain to complete the whole Quran. You already know 50% of the word, mashallah. Keep going, keep begging Allah for steadfastness. Alhamdulillah, remember by the end of 19th lesson, we have learned 232 words which occur in the Quran, almost 41,111 times. And there are 4,500 words in the Quran which are repeated almost 78,000 times. And this is lesson number 20B, I mean the last lesson. So we just repeated, we just revised the lesson we have done and we have learned before. That's why we just mentioned here that at the end of the 19th lesson, we have learned these words and this much. So may Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran.
Amen.
Ameen ya Rabb. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta. Nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Alhamdulillah, we have done it. There should be some sweets and something else. Ameen ya Rabb.